Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So you can see this is Mercedes-Benz uh, 205, and this car have issue about water and oil mixing. So you can see we already open the engine oil cooler. So here is no space. It is location downside main pulley, because no space. Then we open also turbo cooler, and see that is old one for car use. And check this oil, engine oil, like same grease, because it's mixing oil and water. That is used one we going to replace. And also we replace the o-ring seal, and we bring the new spare parts. That is, you can see the part number in box, that is part number. And that is cooler, new original genuine we going to replace. That is engine oil cooler. And we bring also oil seal, o-ring, and coolant bottle cap also, because so all this work in this car we going to change engine cooler and fitting everything. After it's fitting everything, inshallah is problem solved. Thank you and thanks for watching.